How to get a lot of free gems in Brawl Stars. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you this quick and easy tutorial. Now take note that this method is going to be only applicable for Android users. Unfortunately, if you're on Apple devices, this method will not go ahead and work. Now, you want to navigate through your Android browser right here, and you simply want to go ahead and search for Brawl Stars mod APK. From here, you can then go ahead and navigate through this website called an1.com, but you can just go ahead and choose any one of this if you want to. Now, once inside the website right here, you can just go ahead and look for the download icon. And once inside, you can then go ahead and click on download APK. Wait for the application to download. And from here, we can then go ahead and install the application right after downloading it into our device. Right after downloading the APK file, you can just go ahead and click on it. Click on the package installer. And from here, you can then go ahead and wait for the application to install. And now we have a Brawl Stars that has a lot of gems into our account right here. And so if we go ahead and click on something like shop, we can then go ahead and purchase any one of these items right here for free. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.